We know in the 21st century that data abounds, and if you look out, anything we do as individuals, as countries, or as organizations, we're producing data. So every time an individual gets on the tube, goes to the grocery store or does shopping, every time we buy a car or migrate or choose to get married, we're producing data that's easily recorded and captured in society today. Similarly, we know that organizations, they take risk assessments, they hire and fire, they adopt strategies, and we can assess how well those different plans work out in the real world by capturing and analyzing this data. The UCL Q-STEP Center offers 4 new degree programs: philosophy, politics and economics, population health, human geography with quantitative methods, and social science with quantitative methods.
The type of skills that students develop over 3 years at UCL Q-STEP Center, they will allow them to work with huge quantities of data and trying to get insights from this data and apply them to concrete policy questions. They will be able to forecast events. Such forecasting can be used as an early warning system by policymakers, and these are exactly the skills and the type of questions that are being asked by such organizations as European Commission, NATO and the Whitehall.
Quantitative methods helps us to understand what the patterns are in these data and what the anomalies are. And from that information then, we can use this to make decisions about how best to organize society, to run political institutions, or to engage with other countries. The Q-STEP program at UCL involves 4 different components. All students on our Q-STEP programs get core training in 5 methods courses. We start from a research design course. How do we come to produce knowledge and research in the social sciences? We have an introduction to quantitative methods module, data analysis, we look at some advanced topics, and we finish up with a class on causal inference. And you can look at our website to see the descriptions of those modules. In those modules, students are given a lecture and they're given a lab session or a seminar where they get hands-on experience using real-world data to do analyses, to think about the questions and the concepts that we're interested in. And from there, students are allowed to talk amongst themselves, to think about the conclusions we draw from that data and decide what we can do with them and how we can help solve problems as a result. A second component of the UCL Q-STEP program is internships. We have competitive paid internships that students take in the summer of their 2nd year, and these internships are across the public, private and third sectors.